Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2020 Winnebago Vista, and it's coming in here for the consumer says that they have a leak inside on the vent, and we had did a roof reseal, I guess, several years back. And so when I came inside, the first thing I noticed was there was some stainage right here. And then when I went up and already corrected it, but the seal is completely dried out to the point where the seal is actually coming loose. And when I rolled up and down the vent to see, and I also checked, I need to go check the bathroom one as well, but I already been up on the roof, the vent, because of age and sun, it's already 6 years old. You can see it's cracked on the plastic hinge that's up there. So the bathroom one is the same way. I noticed it, whoops. I noticed it when I was up on the roof. Yep, you can see where it's dimpled down in same spot. See how the plastic's just cracked? So what it did on top is it like wrinkled. Where that comes in, it bowed from the sun exposure to it. So they're gonna need to have both those vent lids replaced. This one's also coming loose, the trim ring. So that needs to be tightened up. They still need to be cleaned every so often. The whole trick on preserving all the stuff on your roof is UV treatments. So I'm gonna go crawl up on the roof. This video is gonna be a little bit long because it's gonna take me a second to get up there, but you're gonna be able to see the sealants. And before I do that, I wanna come back and talk about the body sealants. So all the body sealants are all cracking, shrunken, discolored. Everything on here is let loose. And you got the awning covers broken off on the back. The front one's there, but the stove vent, porch light, you can see how discolored that is. So I'm wondering, the speaker, I wonder if you're going through like the RV car washes and they're using too strong of aggressive of a soap, because it is literally drying out and discoloring all the sealants on this coach, as well as everything on the roof. And then you can see here where the water and the mold is getting past the molding. There is drip weep holes right here to let it go, but that seam's loose and all the sealant along that top edge is separated and compromised. So, you know, none of the windows have been resealed since original at the factory. You can see stuff that's bled out, you know, even on the slide out. So on the walls itself, when you get in here, you see all that sealant that's just cracked and separated. That's supposed to be there as a water deflectant. And so this stuff is all cracked and separated on the body. As we get closer up, you can kind of see that crack separation. That goes all the way down on the slide out. It goes on the sides of the slide out. There's probably stuff on the slide out too that's compromised. This outer is completely missing sealant on it at all. There's a little bit that's applied in the corner, so I don't know if that came off, brushed off, what. All this stuff's all bled out, coming loose, and just, you know, it's just age. So it's just like getting a manicure or a pedicure done. And you can see where this used to be sealed a lot more, and so did that one. And here's this one, what's the left of it, and here they didn't seal that at the factory. So, but all these corners, all these pieces, they're all, you know, they're all need to be resealed. What happens is you're never going to see water leaks in the inside. That water's going to get in, it's going to compromise the floor, the walls, cause damage to it, cause things to let loose and blister, and it's going to be too late by that time. So let me crawl up on the roof here and see if I can do this single-handed. Here we go. Don't do this at home, boys and girls, because this is how you get yourself hurt. But anyways, skylight, I crawled completely up on the roof. Sorry for the traffic noise, we're right by a main street too. So let me set the camera down while I get up here the rest of the way without getting hurt. Okay. And it's even so bad that the plastic on the solar panels are cracking too. So as you can see, the AC cover, that's water that's sitting on top here from the last rain we had last night. And you can see now the dimple in that vent lid. This is the bathroom one. So you can see where it's compromised that way. So when the sun got to it, and it basically made a baby crack right there. That's in the bathroom. They don't even know that it's leaking. And here's the galley below, which is the same way. You can see that little crack. You can see how discolored they are from the sun. It's also because the sealants haven't been being cleaned and treated. They're starting to do a surface cracking, but they're not really bad yet. But they will be, within the next year or so. Same thing with the front. I mean, this thing used to be white, and you can see how bad it is. And then same thing with the sealants. So the sealants are all cracking. This molding's actually letting loose and caused it to separate. So it's leaking. They're just not seeing water getting in there yet because it's separated and cracked. Same thing on this side. There's also a bunch of tree branch marks where the trees have been scratching it and scratching the material. And then same thing. See those side edges? Those are cracked all the way down. So that's water leaking inside that front cap. You're just not seeing it on the inside. So just like a bottle of water would spill over, you're not seeing it. Another thing is the solar, or the dish play dome is getting all discolored. So is the King Jack antenna. Again, both those vent lids. You can even tell the person next to us here, theirs are starting to buckle really bad too. Front and the back. So probably want to check those next, but this is the kind of stuff you want to look out for. Luckily this vent is leaking right in the lino, so that saves that. But the gasket itself, I took pictures of it when I opened it. The gaskets are dried up on both of them, hard and just from heat and sun damage. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Nervous Specialist. I'm up on Winnebago Vista, and I was just doing a free roof inspection. And as far as like all the sealants that we have applied, several years ago, they all adhered properly. I don't see any bubbles or blisters, anything that wasn't sealed correctly. Everything's doing what it's supposed to do. It just now falls on, lack of maintenance, which is a lot of people don't understand. We take a bath. Most of us take a bath every day. Some of us take a bath every other day. Some of us go longer than that. But you got to get up here. You got to scrub the sealants. You got to keep them clean. When the sealants get dirty, the dirt and the heat, the oils bleed out. The dust and dirt collects to that, and then that causes it to dry out, shrink, and crack. Now these aren't failed all the way that bad yet, except for up there in the front. But it's just an age thing. They don't make a sealant that's permanent. Even this gentleman over here next to us, you can see there's a different sealant on that corner. See how dark and dirty that is, and then somebody sealed it up there, and then somebody went across and sealed it up there, and they did the same thing. So it's kind of been Frankenstein, we'll call it. But anyway, stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching.